The scatter plot below compares X, the number of pizzas ordered per week, and Y, the cost per pizza in dollars. A line of best fit has been drawn based on this data. Okay, number 17. Based on the line of best fit, so based on the line that was drawn, this line right here, okay, which estimate is closest to the price per pizza if a class wants 6 pizzas per week? So I'm going to go over to 6, and then I'm going to go up to my line. So because it said according to my line, I'm not going to look at this point right here because this point is not on the line. So I'm going to go over to the line, and it says what would be the price. So I'm going to go over, I'm going to just make a dotted line straight over here. And it looks like that price is $4.75. Okay, I definitely, again, do not use this point because it's not on the line. Okay, the table below shows the number of U.S. households with personal computers from 1994 to 2002. So you'll notice we've just got a nice list going. It says to draw a scatter plot of the data, so we will do that first. And when we do that, okay, we will have time. And I'm over here, since it says years since 1994, maybe it doesn't, but okay. It is years since 1994, and PCs, and I'm going to put that this is in millions. Okay, we can label it 0, and again, these are so close, I'm just going to space it out a little bit. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then we need to get up to 72.7, so I'm going to go by 5, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, and that should be fine. Now I'm just going to go ahead and plot this data. Notice we're not going to plot these years because it's telling us that X 1994 is X equals 0. So we're going to do 0, 32. So 0, 32, about right there. Whoopie whoops. 0, 32. 1, 33.6, a little bit higher. 2, 38.8, so almost up to 40. 3, 44, almost up to 45. 4, 51.2. 5, 61.1, right there. 6, 66. 7, 69.1, almost up to 70. And 8, 72.7, about there. About right there somewhere. Okay, well, okay, hopefully you notice definitely that we can see a trend in data. So we're going to go ahead and, with a ruler, draw a line of best fit. Now I don't have the capability of using a ruler here, so I'm just going to do my best. Okay, so pretending like I did use a ruler, that's going to be something like that. Okay, we're going to pick, it said to draw a line of best fit, I did. Now it says to write an equation of the line of best fit, so I'm going to pick 2 points that are on my line. You could pick data points, you could pick points that are just make sure they're on your line. So I'm going to pick, ones that I had done previously. If this one was on my line, I'm going to pick 133.6, and then I'm also going to pick 7, and I'm going to, because my previous line, it went through that data point, I'm going to pick 7, 69.1, okay? But you do not have to pick data points. If you just had one, like I could have easily picked that one right there, which would have been 235. Easily done that, okay? So now what I need to do is find the slope. I just picked those ones because those are ones I had previously done and I have worked down for it already. Okay, so now we're going to have y2 minus y1, so 69.1 minus 33.6 over x2 minus x1, so 7 minus 1. So I'm guessing on this problem you will not have the same points as me because even though you're checking it, you'll make sure that you're close, but definitely your line won't look exactly like mine because you used a ruler. Okay, and then we are going to get 35.5 over 6, and if we work that out, that turns out to be 5.92. So that gave me my m. Now I need to pick one of the points, and I'm going to pick the point right here. So I'm going to have y equals mx plus b. My y value is 69.1, and if you didn't label them as x and y, you might want to do that. And then equals m, which was 5.92, and then times x, which was 13, and then plus 27.66. Plus b, excuse me. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and solve, and we'll get 69.1 equals, that will be 41.44 plus b. I'll subtract 41.44 from both sides, and I will find that b is equal to 27.66. So the equation of my line is y equals 5.92x plus 27.66. And then from here, so we found the equation of our line, and then it says to use your equation to predict the number of households in the U.S. with personal computers in the year 2007, which is at x equals 13. So now all I need to do is plug 13 into my equation. Okay, and when I do that, I will get 104.62, and that's just not how many computers there, that's how many millions. So it's 104.62 million. Okay, one thing I would strongly encourage you to do on this problem is use your calculator, and you'll be able to see if your line is a good fit or not.